So to obtain the latest version of Hypnos board, you first need to go to the OPEnSLab home wiki. And you open this file right here. Once you open it, it's gonna look like this. There's a lot of things going on over here. So to hide the layers that you don't need them to show, you click layer setting and you disable bottom, T place, B place. Click OK. Now you can use your mouse wheel. If you hold down your mouse wheel, you can also drag it around. So I would like to see what is the property of this part. I would right click at the cross, click property, and you can see this is an NMOS. You can do the same thing for the neighbor components. Properties, here is a resistor, 100K. Here is a capacitor, so you can start with a C, and the value is 100 picofarad. In order to see the bottom layers, you're gonna turn on the bottom and then disable the top. Click OK again. As you can see, there's only two parts. There's a battery holder and there's two components down here. You right click, it says a resistor, 10K. And after you place your component, you're ready to put it in the oven and start baking.
Once it's come out of the oven, this is how we do inspection. Go on the microscope, turn it on. So focus it on if you haven't focused it. So you can see all the pin here are good. So there's no ball between. Same for the other side. Those are good. Right. And then you look it up here, you can see there's a tiny ball right there. However, that ball is fine because the pad is quite far away and everything else is clean. But when you go down into here, and you can see it not very pretty. It's just kind of weird. So what you can do is we can use a soldering iron, go from the back side like that, go from underneath, and then just drag the soldering iron around to get them all smoothed out. This capacitor, there's a ball here, I'll get it out. That's it. Let's just scrape the ball out. And then we should be good to go. It's good for testing.